Here we are at the Kutch of the Rannof Kutch in Gujarat, and it's New Year's Eve day, 31st of December 2017, and as you can see, we are at the Salt Desert of Gujarat. And last night we drove till 8 o'clock at night to Dholavira, famous that it was a part of the Indus Valley civilization of 3500 BC, and excavations and villages have been found there of that civilization. So it was well worth the visit. And here we have the other side of the causeway, and the island here, which goes 40 kilometers to Dholavira. Let's ride!